Tonight, I'm going to be camping on the Cheviot Hills. I have the Kuiu Storm Star 2 tent, which I'm sure a lot of you may have from the recent sale that everyone has been banging on about, but I'm going to be testing it on top of the Cheviot Point, 815 meters, so I hope we can get to. It's pitch black already. It's currently like 6 p.m. I'm not going to get there till about 7:30, but this is it, guys. We're going to be getting up there in the pitch black, hopefully for a nice sunrise. Let's just see how this video goes. Welcome back to my channel. It's quite mild out there for November, because it's currently November. I've got this sleeping bag as well, probably could be upgraded, but it's a nice one. I got the Nemo all season, all year round sleeping mat, which is very good reviewed. And yeah, I'm about to leave. The bag actually weighs about 15 kilograms, which is kind of on the heavier side, but it's okay. It's doable, I can do it. So it's time to set off for the Cheviot Hills. See you there, everyone. If you're new here, do be sure to subscribe as well. So I'm currently in the car park now for the Cheviots. It's pitch black, it's chucking it down with rain, and it's super foggy. Like, these are not the best conditions to be walking up in the pitch black as it is. Anyone can see me right now in this car. It's kind of creepy, and I can't see out obviously because the light's on, but it's kind of creepy. There's no signal here whatsoever though. I've got no contact on my phone, and yeah, I'll see you at the top. Can't even see even just a couple feet in front of you, really. This is crazy. This is actually really disorientating. I don't like it, you know. It just bounces off it, man. Someone could be standing right over there and I wouldn't be able to see them. So let me just explain to you. Basically, it was foggy the whole time. As you can see, it still is when we're setting up the tent. We did try to push to the final bit at the top, but it was so disorientating, so wet, and it just was getting worse and windier. So we decided to cut our losses and camp between that Cheviot Point and Cheviot Hill. This is us setting it up. Let's go. Right, it's pegged up, everyone. Not pegged up, sorry, it's up. The Storm Star 2 in the clouds. Setting that up was an absolute pain. It took us 14 minutes, so not bad. I think I did that pretty slow, to be fair. It's so disorientating in the clouds, but I'm gonna peg it in and then I'll catch you. Yeah, that is grey. Up, everyone. Sleeping at about 550 meters. Completely in the fog right now. Cheviot, which we didn't get to, is just up that way, which I think will be above all this, but unfortunately we didn't get there. So now we're just gonna pack the tent up, which is pretty cool in this mist. I'll give you that. And then I think, yeah, we're just gonna pack up soon and go. Sunrise is in about half an hour. 45 minutes. But yeah, incredible tent. Nothing better. Now we need to disassemble the tent. Yeah, there's no way you'd be in overworld castle there. So we got the best of both worlds. We're like in it, but we're also not. Gives some beautiful views. We didn't even get the tent in the bag. Look at that view. It is beautiful right now. Although we slept in grey clouds all night, the view is kind of making up for it now. But that's another night of wild camping in the Cheviot's done. And this is a disclaimer for the video. I'm a beginner at wild camping. I don't know much, okay? Any advice would be very helpful in the comments.